We got a beautiful 2023 Nissan Titan Platinum Reserve with the BakFlip MX4 hard folding cover. This is a great cover for security, style. It's low profile. It's all secure when the tailgate is locked, so you can't get inside here until you unlock the truck, drop the tailgate. You pull a cable each time for the full bed access. This Platinum Reserve has some special toolboxes in the bed. The BakFlip cover has a special hardware kit that makes it applicable with the track system and the toolboxes, so everything is still functional. There's nothing that had to be removed or drilled inside the bed. It has special prop rods to keep the cover up when you have it all the way open. That way you can get the full bed access. There's rest pads in the rear so it doesn't make noise against your back window or damage the back. Here at Truck Access Plus, we are experts on the bed covers. We stock these hard folding covers. We do free shipping for our nationwide customers. Visit our website, visit our store if you're in AZ. We're in Phoenix. We'll do same-day install while you wait. My name is Martine. I will help you out. Truck Access Plus.